The AL4 is the ultimate low-profile, hard-folding tonneau cover. It's designed to flip up for full on-the-go bed access. Made in America and engineered to be strong yet lightweight. Built to last and easy to operate, the AL4 offers uncompromised utility and styling at an affordable price compared to others in its class. Designed to turn heads and outperform, the AL4 aims to be the best at what it does.
The AL4 offers maximum strength, durability, and structural integrity thanks to its panels made with more than 3 times thicker aluminum.
The ceramic-infused diamond shield finish looks stunning and can last up to 10 years before showing signs of wear. Paired with dual, heavy-duty EPDM seals, the hard folding cover will proactively keep weather out of your truck bed instead of redirecting it once it gets in. The AL4 also offers multiple riding positions, allowing for usage of up to 95% of your bed storage space. Multiple latch positions mean greater security with quick and easy access. Rest assured that your cargo will stay safe whether you're traveling down the freeway or simply parked in an unattended lot. The AL4 will take about 30 minutes to install and doesn't require any drilling or modifications to your truck bed. It comes with a 3-year warranty and an engineered fit to complement any make or model application on the market. Whether for hard work, casual play, or just turning heads, the AL4 should be the first and could be the last cover you ever purchase. Visit worksport.com or your local dealer to buy your premium AL4 flip-up cover today.